wait and set it up at the half court. They dump it in to Bismarck Lina. Lina inside, counted, and a foul for Bismarck Lina.
You know, I've been with Bismarck for a while now and nagkasabay din kami yan sa rehab training namin. Alam naman natin na galing siya sa injury.
Yeah.
Napakasipag ng batang yan. And so far, I think, dito sa mga games na nilaro niya.
He has been the revelation for the defending champs. Bismarck Lina at the post. This is where he is at his best. What a move! Up and under for Bismarck Lina.
Martin, ito yung mga madadrop pa sa siya. That gave him that open layup.
Clearing the lane. Jomel Puno now will operate. You can. Inside pass. Bismarck na Abuelo. Bismarck Lina with 9 points.
San Beda going back. And kung titignan mo yung free throw attempts nila, hindi ganun kataas. Kasi hindi sila mas naging aggressive and attacking talaga dun sa loob.
How about Bismarck Lina? Continues. That one in. Ito nakawala si Lawrence Capulong. Drop off to Lina this time.